Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Bookstore and we are going to explain our project about toko buku catalog web application. Before we presented our project, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ardi from Sejati.
And my name is Gloria Yoland Septryana.
And next is the system analysis. So web application is a program or an application programs that runs on a web server. Most web apps written in HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript that is usually used to create front-end the web application. For this project, we make a web application to focus on admin on the database to create, update, and delete the book information in application called Bookstore web application. This web application is written in HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, we use MySQL for the database. So the next is, this is the database design. We have two tables in database design. First is the book, and the second is account. So the buku is where we keep our ID about our buku from Judul buku to gambar buku. And the account, we have the email and password. This is the table design. So we have the email and password in account. We have varchar with 100 with the both of them. And the toko buku.buku table, we have ID buku. And we have judul buku, penerbit buku, genre buku, harga buku, and gambar buku. Okay. And this is our flow chart. So the first is the customer. In the front page, and the customer is searching the books. After the books found that customer want, the books the book is displayed that the books still available in our bookstore. In admin page, we have the login admin. After we log in, if the login success, we are going to the input books. After we input books, either it going to input update or delete. So after we update or delete, we are saving it in database, and then after done in saving in database, we can see still display the books that remains in the database. The next is Gloria going to explain about the user interface our website.
Okay, now I'm Gloria Yoland will explain about the user interface of web application of our toko buku. So this is the main page of toko buku web application where we can see the carousel of image. There are 3 images of imaginary toko bookstore offline store, and then there is admin login, where if the user is the admin and want to edit or to add the book's information, they can go log in here. And if we scroll down in main page, you can see a catalog of books that is already registered in toko buku web application. And this is how the login page look like. They have to put their email and password and then click on login. And if they have successful on login, the page will be showing something like this where the admin can add the informations or edit and delete the information. So now I'm going to practice it out, the user interface of toko buku web application. So this is what it looks like. There are 3 pictures here. And then there is a calling welcome to toko buku website. And then there's admin login. And there's the catalog of the books and book information that is already registered in toko buku website, toko buku web application. And we can see it here, the title, the writer, the publisher, the genre of the book, and also the price of the book. We can see it here. And then let's say I am the admin and I want to edit and add any data of the book information that I want to register in our Tokobo website. So admin login, and I've already registered my email. And then I click on login. So this is what it looks like, the input page of Tokobuku web application, where we can add the title of the book, writer, publisher, genre, price, and also the cover. So let's say I want to add a book called Almond, and the writer of the book is, let's say, Sunwon Pyong. And then let's say the publisher is from Erlangga, and the genre is fiction. And for the price, I put it as 70,000. And for the gambar buku is actually the book cover that will be shown in books catalog at the main page. So let's say I've already found the cover book. So we can just copy paste the link of cover book. Let's copy it and then paste it here. And then click on this button that is called tambah buku, which means add buku, add book. And if we already add the book information, we can see it here. This is the lastest one that I've put it in. So let's look at the database. So this is our database, and it goes to table buku. So we can see it here. The last one is Almond, Pyong, Erlangga, fiction, and the image. Now we can go back and we can edit some of the, or we can edit the information of the book. Let's say I want to edit this one, the third book information. Click on edit, and then let's say I want to change the price of the book. I want to change to 80,000. And then we can click on update buku or book update. After that, we can see it here. You can see it here. The price is changed from 68,000 to 80,000. And let's say I want to delete the last one. So we just have to click on this delete button. So we can click on delete. Then we can check it here. It's not here anymore. Now we can go to database to check it. It's still here, and then we can refresh it. So we can see here the lastest book information that we add, which is Almond, is not there. So that's it from me. And let's say I want to add again the Almond book, so we can check it in books catalog in main page. Click on tambah buku. You can see it here. And then let's say I've done from edit and add the books information for the book catalog. So we can click on this button, log out. And it will be directed to the main page. So we can see it here. So this is what it looks like, the latest book information that I added. And we can see it here too. There's Almond here. And that's all from my explanation. Thank you for all your attention. It has been Group 2 from 4SC7. Thank you.